Hi, I'm Andrea from Vancouver, BC, and the Canadian Tire Tested for Life program sent me a PADERNO round cake pan for testing. So it arrived a couple weeks ago, and I did my first test with it last week. I just wanted to do a test first before I filmed it, just to get used to it, and I could tell you kind of what I thought as I did the video. So I'm making another cake right now, and I just first want to show you, Here's the pan. It's already pre-greased, as you can see. So the thing is about this one is that it's non-stick. So you would just want to make sure that you grease it beforehand. So if you see it in comparison to this Betty Crocker one, I just wanted to give a quick comparison of the two, and the PADERNO one is much better. It's a much heavier duty pan. You can tell that it will last much longer than the cheap Betty Crocker pan that I've had for a while. And also, I'd like to show you, sorry, this is like a little bit messy, but it comes with a lifetime warranty, which I think is absolutely fantastic. So in conclusion, I would definitely like to say that I would recommend the PADERNO cake pan. It might be a little bit more expensive than some cake pans, but with the lifetime warranty, it's definitely built to last. Thanks.